Hello, welcome to yet another video on Power BI, and in this video we're going to talk about slices and tables. This is Manu from Climatics Data Labs, and let's proceed to our Power BI desktop. This is how slices and tables look in Power BI, and the functionality of slices is just you can click on any element of the slicer and the corresponding table or a visualization will get filtered out based on the selection. For a matter of fact, if we change this table to a, let's say, a bar chart, then also these slicers work. So let's try to understand how we create these slicers and table. So for that, let's start from scratch. So we first bring the slicers canvas over here, and then we want to use, let's say, regions for filtering. So I bring regions to slicer and I get these filtering options. But slices on their own would not make any sense. We need something along with slices on which these slices can work. So let's also try to make tables over here. So we click on this table icon and we just adjust its position on this page. And then let's bring in this table, let's say state, district, and population. So each field that you pull in gets populated in the next column. So you get three different columns. So this is how a table is created. Now to demonstrate slicer, let's click on any of the let's say region, and the corresponding data gets filtered out in the table, right? And this slicer can also be linked to a visualization if we have common fields in the slicer and the visualization. So that was about slicers and tables in Power BI. If you like our video, do subscribe, comment, and share. And this was Manu from Climatics Data Labs. Thank you so much.